I wanted to record this short video to tell you the number one thing that you can do at your practice to make your workshop marketing, if you're doing it online, way more effective. So the way I want to go over this is I want to compare ourselves with like a direct mail campaign that you're probably familiar with running. So in the old days when you would do a direct mail campaign, your audience would receive the postcard in the mail and they'd look at the postcard and it would invite them to your upcoming workshop and they'd go, I want to attend or I don't want to attend. They'd make that decision in a split second. And if they didn't want to attend, they threw it away. And if they wanted to attend, they followed the instructions on there, called the number or whatever that may be. And they probably, kept it right on the kitchen table or put it on the refrigerator or something like that. So it's always in front of them until they attended the event. Now, direct mail is very expensive. So doing those campaigns a lot are expensive, and that marketing has been slowly less effective to get people to attend these events because they're less effective and their mailbox is full of those postcards from all different types of lawyers and from financial advisors and the like. So that's one of the reasons why we don't like to do that anymore, but that's the way it worked with direct mail. So if they want to come, they save the postcard, they're reminded about it, and they attend the event or they don't attend the event. With what we're doing and with what online is, if somebody sees and is interested in your event and they're marketed online about your event and they make the registration, that could happen at any given time of the day, right? So it could be done in the morning, the afternoon, the night. They could be watching TV. They could be having a conversation. They could be out and about and they're just immediately triggered by your event. They're excited about it. They saw it. They made the registration with a great intent. They want to come to your event. Now, your mind is only focused on one thing for a short amount of time and then it changes, right? So instead of being able to, put that on their refrigerator or lay it on their kitchen table and have a constant reminder of that event that's coming up, there's a good chance that they might forget about it, right? Some people will get like a confirmation email. If they're working with us, they definitely will get a confirmation email to remind them about the event, but they will or will not check their email. They will or will not print that out. A lot of that is left up to chance. So the number one thing that you can do at your practice to make that online marketing more effective is by reaching out to those people that sign up for your events as fast as you possibly can. And when I mean fast, I mean like the same day, the same hour, heck, within the same minute if that's a possibility at your firm. Because your firm should get a notification that if you're using us, they will get a notification when somebody makes a registration. Depending on how else you're doing it, you might get a registration a different way, like with Eventbrite or other marketing. And so when you get that, you want to get on the phone, have somebody get on the phone and call that person right away and say, we saw you registered for the event. We're excited to have you attend. Did you have any questions that you wanted us to cover while you're at the event? Great, take those notes about that person. That's when you're gathering information about that person and why they're attending the event. It's very important. And then you want to do that again sometime at the minimum between the time that they register and the time of the event. You just want to call back in and check in. Hey, Mrs. Smith, we know that you're confirmed to be at this event. We're excited to have you there. We know you said you had this question that you wanted us to address. We just wanted to make sure that we are saving your seat, that you are going to be attending because we're going to have some refreshments or snacks or whatever it may be. And we just want to make sure we buy enough of them. So we just want to making sure again that you're coming. Oh yes, I'm coming. Then again, you might not get everybody on the phone, but leave them a voicemail, send them an email, follow up, whatever you have to do. Those touches are very important. And then the final one that's also very important is the one that's before the event. So that could be the day before the event, the night before the event, the morning of the event, but another one just to say, hey, we have all your information here, just a friendly reminder. And then if they have any questions, just be honest with people. You don't have to be like, they requested the information, they signed up for the event, so you're not like soliciting them, they requested this. And if they have any questions like, why are you following up so much? Just be like, a lot of people when they register for events online, they forget about it. And so, we're really counting on you to be there. We're saving your spot. We're excited to have you come. And we just want to make sure that you are coming because we're holding your seat for you and we care. And that's about all you need to do. There shouldn't be any pushback on anything like that. And like I said, you're not bothering these people. These people signed up for your event. When you follow up like that, that is a winning strategy. You're gonna get the highest amount of people that actually sign up to the event to attend. You're not leaving it up to chance at all, and you're gonna have a very successful workshop by following up with those people at least 3 times, I would probably do it 4. And the most important one of those follow-ups being that initial one that you do immediately or as soon as you possibly can if it's after business hours to follow up with that person, confirm their attendance, and get them very excited to attend your event. Hopefully that helps.